Hey guys, okay, it's 3:55 in the morning. I have some bad news. You will not believe what just happened. I'm just gonna come out with it, okay? I'm here by myself. Like, she's gone. Madison's dead. She's dead. She's gone. She's not here anymore. I don't know what to do with this. Look at this lump. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do.